Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome again to a new video of how to do these nice hole patterns. I'm going to show you this really nice pattern in this really nice pastel pink tones, and how I made this I will obviously show you now. Have fun! Okay guys, so here you can see there's really nice scarf I made from this Woolly Hugs scarf. It's the charity edition. It's 75% wool, 15% polyamide, and 10% polyacid. It's 50 grams and 100 meters long. It's meant for size 3.5 to 4.5 crocheting hooks, but I'm actually going to crochet this with my size 6 crocheting hook. The wool is really soft. The color number is number 41, and here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna see here where I can find the inside of the ball, but I couldn't find it, so I'm just gonna do it from the outside. That happens to me too. And so we're gonna start here with some chain stitches as the base. And so we put it on the hook here. I'm gonna move the ball of yarn out of the way so you can focus better here on what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do a multiple of 4 here. So I'm gonna do 20, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so here we have the chain stitches. This is the width of the scarf. I'm going to tell you that this hook really works super well for this wool. So I'm going to go skip the first 7 stitches here. So I'm going into the 8th one. So the first one here actually is already where we're going to go poke in for the next row. But the rest is kind of the distance that we're going in between. So we go back into the 8th stitch and then do 3 double crochets here. So first you skip a lot and then you crochet a lot. And so here's number 1, here's double crochet number 2, and here's double crochet number 3. Done. Okay, so 3 double crochets all into the same stitch. I'm going to take some more wool here. We do 1 chain stitch. That's going to be where we poke in for the next row. Then I'm going to skip 3 stitches, and into the 4th one we go into and do 3 double crochets. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, then we do 1 other chain stitch. We skip 3 again, just like we did, and we do another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and number 3. Be sure to always crochet the 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Okay, so we've done 3 of these packs already now, and so every time you finish one of these packs we do 1 chain stitch, and then here at the end we should have 4 left over, and we should go into the last one here. In the very last one we do 1 more double crochet. Okay, and that's row number 1. And so we have 3 of these packs here, and then have the chain stitches at the beginning, and then here on the left 1 single double crochet for the end of the row. And so we continue with 3 chain stitches, then we turn it all around, and now we go backwards. And so we start here with 2 double crochets around the chain stitches of the row before. And so here the 3 chain stitches we just did, that's already looks like it's 3 double crochets already. So we can only do 2 here. So this first one here at the very right is actually chain stitches. Then we do 1 chain stitch and we go into the chain stitch of the row before and we do 3 double crochets. All right, after the packs, like we said in the row before, we always do 1 chain stitch. So we'll do that now. And then we do 3 more double crochets around the chain stitch of the row before. Take some more yarn. Okay, we got the 3 pack done. We do a chain stitch, and here into this last loop around the chain stitches that we started off of, we go and do another 3 double crochets. Number 2 and number 3, and we're done with row number 2. Okay, so here we continue with row number 3, so we do another 3 chain stitches, then we turn it all around. Oh, actually we're going to do another 4th one here, because we have these, these 3 down here. And so now we're going to do 3 double crochets around this chain stitch of the row before. Number 2. And number 3. And then, as always, we do 1 chain stitch right after, and then we continue doing 3 double crochets into the next spot. Take some more wool, we do another chain stitch, and go into the next spot. And we do another 3 chain stitches. I mean, 3 double crochets. Then we do 1 chain stitch, and then here into the very side where you can see the chain stitches here of the row before, and we do 1 double crochet. All right, so this is row number 3. So what you can see here is that we kind of have 3 or 4 of these packages per row. So in the even rows we have 4, and in the uneven ones we have 3. And so when I have the 3 packs, we have the chain stitches at this one side and then the double crochet at the other side. And the other ones we have the 3 packs on the outside as well. And here at this one is the chain stitches and the double crochets. And so this is how we're going to start now again. We do 3 chain stitches, we turn it around, and then do 2. We do 2 double crochets. I was going to say 3, but it's actually just 2. Yeah, it's the same height as the 3 double crochets, but we actually just replace one of them with the chain stitches. Then we do a chain stitch, and we continue doing the packs of 3 here. So I'm going to continue doing this now for a little bit until I have the length that I want for my scarf. Okay guys, so here's my update. My first ball of yarn is actually done now, and you can see what my progress is like so far. You can see how nice this pattern looks. The wool is really cozy, it's really comfy and soft, and you can see how nice the pattern is and how nice it looks. So I'm gonna actually pull through the thread here, and the scarf is not that long yet, but to show you guys how I do this, I'm just gonna pull it out, and I have about 130 centimeters here, but if you would like to have more, you can just add another ball of yarn. Thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free, and you'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. Share this video with your friends, and see you next time.